the national capital is concerned. Shifting tracks now to some breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast. There's no relief for ex-Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren. Now, the top court has refused to grant interim bail today. The Supreme Court to continue hearing Soren's plea on May 21st. Now, the ED to the Supreme Court. Now, the Enforcement Directorate has informed Supreme Court that Soren was arrested way before the polls. The Enforcement Directorate also said that Soren is not entitled to an interim bail. In fact, Soren has cited the Kejriwal verdict to get a bail in this matter, but now clearly there is no interim bail for Hemant Soren. Harish joins us live on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Harish, this is of course something that Hemant Soren was trying to do, cite the example of Arvind Kejriwal and say that on one hand, while Arvind Kejriwal has been given interim bail because he was arrested just before the polls and there seems to be some sort of a political conspiracy, the ED clearly making it clear that there is absolutely no link to Arvind Kejriwal's arrest and Hemant Soren's arrest, and these are completely different matters.
Yes, that's right, Ashish. In fact, the Supreme Court was hearing the appeal filed by Hemant Soren challenging his arrest and subsequent remand. He had challenged the refusal of relief by the Jharkhand High Court. For the time being, Hemant Soren, citing Kejriwal case, had also sought interim bail for campaigning, but there is no relief coming in as yet for Hemant Soren because Supreme Court has simply adjourned the matter to May 21st, which means that he will not be able to campaign for second phase of polls also, as the second phase is on 20th and the third phase is on 25th and the fourth phase on June 1st. So this adjournment means that there is no relief and he cannot campaign for second phase also. ED, as you rightly said, Ashish, said that there is no comparison with Kejriwal's case because Supreme Court had considered the fact that he was arrested just before the elections, but Hemant Soren was arrested way before the elections and he has been in jail since, in fact, January 31st, and therefore there is no comparison as far as Hemant Soren is concerned, and therefore he should not be given interim bail. Remember, so this is when the Kapil Sibal appearing for Hemant Soren had said that there is diversity of justice and therefore this is a politically motivated case and therefore he should be getting some relief. Remember the High Court had on May 3rd dismissed petition filed by Soren challenging his arrest, asserting that he cannot wriggle out of the mess he created for himself by raising bogey of political vendetta. His lawyer Kapil Sibal said his client's rights are being trampled upon in this fashion, insists that he be released before polls for election campaign. But now it has not so far happened.
Absolutely, Harish, like you rightly pointed out, absolutely no relief there for Hemant Soren, who's of course trying to get an interim bail on the same grounds as Arvind Kejriwal. But now the Supreme Court, of course, will continue to hear the matter. But as of now, there is no interim relief for Hemant Soren, who's of course the former Jharkhand Chief Minister.